Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Melissa if you haven't been here before. Today we are going to be doing my Ipsy Plus unboxing. We're going to be seeing what I got in my Ipsy bag this month of September. And if that's something you want to see, if you want to see what I got, then just keep watching. Alright, let's just get into it. I've been waiting for this thing forever, it seems like. Alright, the first item I got is the Yinsa Color and Face Silk Bronzing Base. It's a Sunlit Glow Bronzer and Brush Duo. Alright, let me open it up. So here's the bronzer. It's got a little cap. And that's what it looks like. Hopefully that's going to be a good shade and tone for me. Looks really pretty though. Alright, it's got 1 ounce of product. So it says it's a lightweight silk cream bronzer. Leaves skin with a natural, healthy, and sun-kissed tan. Powered by 8 Super Blacks Essence. And here is what the brush looks like. So, pretty dense brush. I think it should blend it out pretty good. So, alright. That's not too bad of a product. I'm pretty excited about that. Now we're going into the bag. The bag this month is like a corduroy little drawstring bag. It's a maroon. And the first thing I'm digging out is a color and contour cheek stick. Alright, let's open this up. And it's Trestique. I've gotten a concealer from them. Oh cool, it's got a brush on the inside. That might actually be good for blending it out. Alright, so you got a brush. And then here's what the actual product looks like. So it's a little bit more of a contour shade. Really cool. I guess I'm getting into creams now. And the shade is Brazilian Bronze. Pretty excited about this. I'm going to be super tan for this fall. Okay, so we got a beauty blender, latex free. There we go. That's pretty nice getting a beauty blender in an Ipsy Plus. So I'm pretty excited about that too. I've actually never used the beauty blender brand. I've used like e.l.f. and some that I've gotten off Amazon, different ones like that are sponges, but I've never used the actual beauty blender brand. So I'm pretty excited to be able to try and see what the difference is. Next is 2 lip products. We got the Girlactic 3-in-1 Lip Sparkle Balm. So we got some real shimmery lip products here. I don't know, why does it say it's 3-in-1? It says apply underneath the lip gloss as a topper over your liquid lipstick or the lip sparkle on its own. So maybe that's why it's 3-in-1, because you can use it with different ways. I don't know, but they're really pretty. It would be a good little topper over a liquid lipstick or something like that, a regular lipstick. So those are pretty cool. And then the last thing is the Ofra lip gloss in natural. Let me swatch this. I should have swatched everything. It's kind of clear. I guess that's why it's natural. It's really clear. But it's something good to top over my liquid lipsticks as well. Let me swatch the Girlactic lip products if I can open them. Alright, and that's what those look like. You got the Ofra, the purpley Girlactic one, and then you got the more clear Girlactic one. Real pretty. Let me swatch the contour. Alright, that's a pretty, I like that shade. That'd be a really good shade for a cream, even a bronzer really, because it's not super cool toned. So, and that's what the Yinsa one looks like, this swatch right up here. It's really, really creamy, so pretty excited about that. So, alright, well that's all the swatches of everything, and that's the last product. My bag is empty. So, I didn't have a card, so I don't know what the prices are on everything, but I'm kind of excited about what I got. I think that it's a lot better than what it was. I think I'm going to keep doing the plus. I'm not doing the regular bag because for some reason getting the sample sizes of stuff, they just pile up and I wound up losing them and everything like that. So it's harder to keep up with the sample sizes of things, especially when you're getting skincare type things. So I'm going to keep getting the plus and keep trying them out, and I'm going to unbox everything for you guys so y'all can see what I got and kind of see if it's worth y'all getting or keeping. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I hope you liked what I got. If you did like the video, please hit the like button. Also subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love for you to become a part of our family here. Also ring the bell so you can be notified whenever I upload my amazing content. And that's going to be all for me. I hope you're staying happy, healthy, taking care of yourself. And I hope you have a great rest of the day. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.